Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Creative Zen Pro. You have to start by open Creative application. Now click on the settings icon at the right top and click Reset Device. Reset. OK. Now go to Settings, click the information icon, forget this device, forget device. Turn off your headphones and turn on it again. Now we should see our headphones on the list. And click on it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!